Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nankhatai biscuits at home without an oven. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/2 cup of ghee. Make sure your ghee is at room temperature. This is crucial for achieving the right texture. We'll also need a pinch of cardamom powder for that authentic flavor. Get ready to mix these simple items into a delightful dough. Now let's get our hands dirty and prepare the dough. In a bowl, cream together the room temperature ghee and powdered sugar until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. This step is key for a melt-in-your-mouth biscuit. Next, gradually add the all-purpose flour and a pinch of cardamom powder. Gently bring everything together to form a soft, pliable dough. Remember, do not over-knead. We want a tender crumb. It's time to shape our Nankhatai. Divide the dough into small, equal portions about 1 inch in diameter. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then gently flatten it slightly. You can make a small indentation in the center with your thumb for a classic look. While you're shaping, place a heavy-bottomed pan or kadai on medium heat, adding a layer of salt at the bottom. Cover it and preheat for about 10 minutes. Carefully place a stand or an inverted plate inside your preheated pan. Arrange the shaped Nankhatai biscuits on a greased plate or parchment paper, then place it on the stand. Cover the pan tightly and bake on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown. Let them cool completely before enjoying. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.